Back at everyone to another VeChain update. Now, if we take a look at the chart, we did confirm the level that I predicted to be support. However, today we are attacking it again. So although yesterday we confirmed a key level as we were predicting, remember we had to wait a few hours for the daily candle close, but I was already suggesting to you guys that VeChain would hold this golden area over here. It did come, it was the case. However, we then also mentioned that because we're creating this new wick down at 4111 or the 4111, this is now the level of support that is of interest to me, not this golden box. Of course, yes, we want to see the daily candle closing within the golden box, and so from this point we want to continue higher the direct next day, meaning today. But of course, there's always an opportunity to go ahead and invalidate something that should happen, which is upside continuation, especially if we are confirming the reversal wave by pushing through the 0.5, the 618, and the 65, which we saw over here, flipping it into support, with wicks going through to the downside at 4111, closing within the gold box, confirming it as support now, which was once a level of resistance with wicks going up. Now we've got wicks going down. It's showing that a top is now becoming a bottom. So now we need to maintain where the bottom was created, 4111. And so this is the level we do not want to see any candles closing underneath, because if we do see a daily candle close underneath this 4111 low, we're going to see a further dump towards the daily 20, the daily 55 in our opposite golden pocket over here, going from the bottom of this move to the top over here. It will be fine to retrace down to these levels, but I'm trying to tell you guys, because of how much strength in VeChain, in altcoins, VeChain doesn't necessarily need to dip down as low as the Fibonacci's are suggesting. In any other sort of market, if we weren't extremely bullish, I would be saying, yes, guys, we need to get down to that golden pocket, to the moving averages. But as we are in a bull market, we're in a market where there's a lot of irrational moves to the upside in our favor. So an irrational move could occur from this price point. We don't technically need to lose this 4111 low, although most of the time, 9 times out of 10, it will lose it to continue to the moving averages and the golden pocket. But guys, let's get this clear. If VeChain can actually hold this low, reclaim the golden pocket here between 429 and 456, then it's showing you how strong VeChain truly is. Just expect further explosions to the upside where we do meet 7 and then eventually 9 cents, because we are calling for this over 100% move at the moment. It's just whether we go down a little bit more, or are we in such an irrational market that this is enough of a dip because we are confirming a different golden pocket as support and then continuing to hold that 4111 low. Guys, it's important to keep your eyes on this. But regardless of whether we go up from here now or we come down a little bit lower, I still expect 7 to 10 cents. So actually, yes, we could get 100% move from now. But guys, we might need to go through a little bit more pain if you want better gains. A saying that I had in the 2020-2021 bull market was, the bigger the dip, the bigger the rip, which just means that when we dump, the deeper that we go down, the worse of a hit that our portfolio takes. The more that the portfolio goes down, the better the gains become the next move up. So yes, it would be nice to see this come down a little bit lower than this low, but please do understand, if we just hold 4111, reclaiming the golden pocket, we're going to look. This is the path that I was originally calling for. So we're still on that path as long as we hold this low. And so we're expecting further upside. We will still be on this path, even if we lose this point of support, because we're above the golden pocket over here, and that's all that truly matters. We are above the moving averages and the golden pocket. We've made a higher high, so this is the higher low being created. We can continue bullish from this point. This is what we were originally expecting before the bullish breakout, where we called for this. And it's funny that people are calling me clueless in the comments again. It's so funny. But here we go, guys. Simply hold this for bullish continuation, come down a little bit lower, and we continue anyways. That's it from me today. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. And if you want to jump into my community, it is only $25 a month for further bonus content, including weekly live streams, my personal portfolio, and of course, daily support from myself and other successful students that I've personally taught. Cheers, everyone.